Hi, my name is Laura and today I'll quickly explain a little more about Lanta Flat Belly Shake with 100% natural ingredients. This powerful shake will reduce your body fats, making you lose weight and feel more confident in a few weeks. You'll see the results now. I'm going to answer the most common questions I get about Lanta's Flat Belly Shake so that you feel 100% comfortable with your decision to order today. Number 1. How and why does the Lanta Flat Belly Shake work? Well, it is important that you know that Lanta Flat Belly Shake is 100% natural and composed of plants and roots that are easy to grow by local producers. This ensures that the raw material used in its composition is always fresh. This combination has been proven by studies, but it really helps to lose weight naturally. Lanta Flat Belly Shake will bring even more energy to your daily life. Number 2, is the Lanta Flat Belly Shake safe? Don't worry, the shake is made here in the USA in an FDA-approved facility and GMP certified to sterile, strict and accurate standards. The Lanta Flat Belly Shake is non-GMO and safe. You can be sure they don't contain stimulants or toxins, are dangerous, and most importantly non-addictive. Number 3. How and when should I take Lanta Flat Belly Shake? For you to see the first results with Lanta Flat Belly Shake, it is necessary to use it continuously for 30 days. Taking a spoon in the morning. The producer's recommendation is that you use it for a period of 90 to 180 days for more expressive results, which is a treatment, and like any treatment, you need to commit to. Number 4. If it doesn't work for me, can you tell me about the warranty? When making the purchase through the official website listed in the description of this video, you get free shipping and up to 360 days warranty. If for any reason the Lanta Flat Belly Shake does not meet your expectations, request a refund. You do not have anything to lose when trying the Lanta Flat Belly Shake. Remember, the below link takes you to the official website, which is a safe place to make your purchase. Only there you get free shipping and this super 360-day guarantee. What do you expect to have a happier life? Do like men and women of different ages who are already having results with the daily use of Lanta Flat Belly Shake. It's 100% natural and guaranteed. If you have more questions, leave a comment and I'll be happy to answer. I hope this information will help you take the first step towards a happier and healthier life. Can't wait to hear your success story, and please don't forget to subscribe.